If you have a Toyota Yaris Cross like this one and you want to know where the important information labels like your VIN, build date and paint code, check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and this is a 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross, and this is the HEV model, which is the hybrid EV. And in this video, I'm going to show you the locations of all your important information labels. And this includes your VIN number, your build date, your paint code, your trim type, your tyre information. And I'll also go ahead and point out your motor information and also your engine code. So nice and simple to do. We're just going to start by walking around the car. Now, normally you'll find your VIN number around the windscreen, but it's actually not there on this car. Now, your VIN number is really important and useful because it's a unique identifier for the car that allows you to contact dealers or part suppliers and actually lock in which model you've got. So we're going to start off over the left-hand side, or in this instance, the passenger side of the vehicle, and just look down here in the door jamb, and you're going to see this label here. There's lots of useful information on this label. So Toyota Motor Corporation gives you your model number there, which is the exact model number of the car. Your engine type, which is an M15A-FXE on this one, and that's 1,490 millilitres, so 1.5 litres. And then it gives you your frame number. Now your frame number is actually your VIN number, and that's replicated in a few locations around the car. Then it tells you what transmission you've got, and then your colour code. So this is the non-metallic blue colour, and that is 8W2. There's your trim type, and then it also gives you some options, would go there if you've got any additional options, and your build date there, and this is August 2025, and this is a model made in Japan. We're then just going to go around to the driver's side of the vehicle and look in a similar location. Again, just open up that door fully. Then we're going to come down into this similar location here. So this is actually your compliance sticker, and it says that it's a Toyota Yaris XP B1, which is this model number. Production date was August 2025, which was replicated on the other side. We've got a serial number there for the car, and then it says your VIN, and it repeats that VIN number. Now the VIN number is always stamped into the chassis of the car, and I'm just going to show you where that is on this car. So just going to slide the driver's seat all the way back and pull off this black cover plate there, and then lift back the carpet. You can actually see this is where the VIN number is stamped into the chassis. And then we come back into the door jamb here, and the blue label is actually a recycling label for the hybrid battery. And then above that, we've got the tyre information. So the tyres on this car are 205 on a 65 profile on an R16 wheel with a speed rating of 95H. And then it gives you your working pressures there in bar and PSI. And then we're going to go ahead and go underneath the bonnet. So pull this lever here, come around to the front of the car, hand in just above the Toyota badge, and you're going to push that lever there to the left. And then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With that safe and secure, we can actually just look inside the engine bay. And it's really simple in this car. It's like any other Toyota hybrid. So we've just got some fluids this side, we've got a fuse box there, we've got a fuse box over that side. This is actually our main combustion engine, and you can see that by the coil packs on top. I'll make separate videos on those. And then over the right hand side, we've actually got the airbox down here, and then this is our hybrid motor. Now you can actually see the hybrid motor number on the side, just down there. It's stamped in and it's nice and visible. And just for the engine number, we can actually go down to this side, a little bit less visible, but it's down there. You can actually see it stamped into the side of the engine block. There's not too much else to see under here when it comes to the information labels, but just up here on the bonnet or the hood itself, it just gives you some information there. This is saying that it's an R-1234YF refrigerant. So that is for the air conditioning system. In Australia, they don't typically allow you to do this in a DIY purpose, but I know in other countries they do, and you just obviously use those top up points there. I'm going to be making quite a lot of videos on this little car, so be sure to check them out on my channel. But if you found this one interesting or helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.